Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing a toilet seat night light. You can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon. The link is in my video description below. Check it out, see if it's the right light for you. It's motion activated, light sensitive, water resistant, easy to clean. Loving everything about this. I think that's hysterical. It looks really cool for the picture glowing in the toilet bowl. I will definitely fit this to my toilet and show you how it works later on in this video. So basically it gives you instructions, fit it to the toilet, adjust the length of arm to the right size, install light bulb, insert batteries. Basically then number 3, turn out the lights. 4, set a color or let them rotate. So it rotates between 8 colors on this light. This is how it comes packaged to you straight from Amazon. Really cool. Just making me laugh. I mean, the package on the side says, transform your toilet, make potty training fun, help prevent accidents. So I guess it's used as a potty training thing. I think it's just kind of nice not to turn the bathroom light on at night if you need to go take a leak. So now we'll go ahead and just unbox it. All right, so we have instructions right here. Adjust the arm to the right size. Install light bulb, insert batteries, right size arm and hang light bulb on the rim of the toilet, and then turn out the lights, set a color, or let them rotate, just like what the box said. Here is the light itself. We'll go ahead and look. But it's going to have an adjustable, says, so you can adjust this. Maybe I need to read the instructions, but it looks like it's a one size fits all. Adjust the length of the arm to the right size. So I guess you can't really, it doesn't seem you can adjust the length of the arm as well as just folding it over your toilet bowl, which is fine. Then you got a little motion sensor in here, I can see, and you should be able to change the lights with that button. Now we'll go ahead and look too and see. The box doesn't tell you, but it looks like it's going to take 3 AAA batteries is my guess. It doesn't tell you. It'd be nice if they did tell you specifically what type, but I believe from the size that they're AAA batteries, and I can confirm that in a minute when I go upstairs and do it. But then it looks like this is going to be your little light right here that's going to be shining into the toilet bowl. So really excited for this. Really a cool little thing, really light. Again, it's got the little light sensor right here to trigger when you enter into your bathroom to want a toilet lit up. So I'm going to go ahead now. We'll go to the bathroom and get this thing fired up.
Hey everybody, Digital David here at the toilet bowl. I have the light here. I did put 3 AAA batteries in this light. Now we're going to go ahead and just for fun, we'll set it here. See if I can keep the camera steady. Point the light down. Just like that. So see how it kind of bends. Now I'm curious, will the toilet seat still work? Okay, the toilet seat still works. It's a little weird. It does hit it if you see that. I'll get a little closer. So it is on. The toilet seat does do a little clicking on that. Maybe I can move this back a little bit. Maybe that'll be better. Doesn't seem to matter, so that's okay. Now we'll go ahead, we'll flip the light off and see what this does. Still might be too light in here. Haha! A red toilet glow. That is really cool. So it should cycle through for a couple different colors. Not gonna lie, I think that'd be a lot of fun to pee into. So it's red right now. Lava red. We'll see if it'll cycle through to another color while we're standing here. Since I'm not patient enough, let me see if I can change the color. Haha. It is changed to a greenish yellow. Oh, there's blue. Cool. Wow, that's really cool. That'll be fun at night. So we'll have to check back. Going to green. Back to a blue. Really dark blue. Camera does not want to focus on it. To a purple. That's cool. It's fancy. So it rotates through 8 different colors. Kind of going blue again, bluish tint. Back to red. So yeah, really happy, really cool toilet bowl light. If you're looking for something fun, just add in the middle of the night, not turn your bathroom light on. This could definitely be the right light for you. Really neat. So really happy with it. Pretty cool. Go ahead, check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, leave me some comments, hit the sub button if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks.